Assembly job here with the brakes on a A3. That one out. Oh, 7mm Allen key, 7mm Allen key at the back there. Push them in. Discs are necked as well, so it'll be caliper will have to come off. You'll get that. I think you'll get that disc off. No bother, eh? No, he's going broom. This car's going to go backwards.
Yeah, she said my exhaust fell off it yesterday, so but she got it back last night.
What, the exhaust fell off it?
Something like that she said,
It's like the gearbox didn't fall out of it.
She says that
it's a bit
she had a cancel, so I said, well, just let me know.
Yeah.
But for an automatic, it's like
You gotta rev the balls at them, that's what I find.
Power my farts.
Aye. You gotta rev the balls at them.
Yeah, that's a problem with these. I'd never have an automatic.
Yeah, quite bored on myself.
Unless you got no feet.
Oh, just go the other way, yeah. Put it in sideways.
It's quite time consuming.
I know they're a pain in the neck, but they're all the same, eh? The worst of that is when they're chewed on the inside.
I think they've got
Allen key, like. It's just time consuming. It's time consuming.
I'm glad his bag's fucking nearly gone.
Oh, you got the bag? Look at the way he's renting, boys. Look at that. He's some mechanic for a boy that works in Tesco's.
The fucking turn that he got, you know. It helps.
It works well for a boy that works in Tesco's. It's no bad filling chairs.
If you don't know how to do that, then you're sitting in there. You need a new job.
If you don't know how to do this, then
you go to the doctor's.
You need to watch it. Right? He'll show you how to do it. That's a 7mm Allen key, folks. Put the screwdriver in there. Put it in there.
I know. I'll take that one.
Stop working backwards.
The way we wash your car, wash your car, wash your car. This is the way we wash your car in the fucking morning.
Car mechanics will laugh. Nah, brakes, rotors, discs, whatever you want to call them, and pads.
Fast.
These cars, Mark 4s and the A3s and most of the Golfs, and they're fairly easy, I'm going to admit.
If you know what you're doing.
Aye! You have to have some sort of knowledge. Using a wee screwdriver like that and doing what he's doing is not going to work, right?
If you know what you're doing, that's it.
See, there's your pad weight indicator, by.
It's your family pad. You just have to actually check the pads, make sure it's the right one.
There's your pad weight indicators. Maybe a wee wires are a wee bit hard, is it? Oh, it looks great. I think the wire's broken.
I suppose I have to go up first.
You're making it work.
Shut up, you gay dog.
Parked on her now, boys and girls. And check it's going the right way, yeah? Yeah? Yeah?
There's a Rogers coming for you.
Aye.
It's the bill.
The old bill, boy. The fuzz.
One.
More F's and a blue word round with you, boy.
So you're quick at using that, yeah?
Yeah, I got some in the house.
I've got some too, but fuck's getting
That's brake cleaner coffee.
That's called shampoo.
Shampoo, aye. STP, shampoo. There's
That's like that.
Only go one way.
It's like the coolant connection. You know.
Only go one way.
What's your on, Steve?
Alright, George. Put that inside the caliper, you know. You might have a bit of a hard job with that. You've got to bend them sometimes. It's a pain in the neck to get in aftermarket pads, aye. You know, the thing at the back sometimes is not. That's the wrong way.
side, I think.
John Ladd's having a bad day. Oh, definitely having a bad day, cough. Look, brake caliper hanging by the... well, never mind.
Car, you know.
That Lexi's knackered anyway, yeah. Look at it, it's worn through at the top.
Yeah, she needed that down for it.
The MOT, yeah. That's an MOT fail. And even that's an MOT fail, to be fair, eh? All the rust at the end of it.
The visors were on it.
You realise you're trying to put that pad back with the wire on the wrong side of it. It's making your life harder. Do you know what?
Home, I came back out again, it was on fire, you know.
Right. How we doing now, boys and girls? Anybody see any mistakes? Point them out in the video.
Keep them to yourself.
You can write with a bunch of headers if you want. I really don't care.
I don't care. I don't give a damn about trolls.
Nope. You can tell us how to do our job. I like to know how to do my job. Right, move this back.
I don't know how that wire goes out because I don't want to be chopping it, you know.
Have you got these little bastards?
Is the wire okay?
Yeah, it works fine. Why do you keep everything?
I don't know. I just do.
Everything is feet. Everything's there and there and there and there and there. What do you want to do that for? I'll stay out the way. Fine.
Is it on now, is it, man?
Hope so.
We'll be alright, and as soon as it's settled in, it'll be fine.
Oh, just getting that one. Just a bed in.
I'll probably have to turn it around. Turn it around.
Spin me right round like a record player.
Like a vinyl record player in the morning.
What on it?
I'm going to go back, I'm going to take the car back and I'll say to her. Because see when I used to work in Quickfit and all that, see the
Tell me about it.
amount of female drivers who just throw it away, I think it's just nothing.
Lose them.
I don't realise it costs money to get the nuts off.
All about that.
They're only good for doing the dishes, cough. I don't think she's ever washed this car. To be honest.
I don't think it's ever had a wash in its pack.
Oh, she only uses it for work anyway.
I don't think it's ever been washed in its pack.
They're going in. Somebody actually say to her, if I need the MOT work into it later in the year, just give us a shout, like. So take it to a garage. It's got the typical driver's window, doesn't work.
That's normal.
But I say to her, no.
Volkswagens. A pain in the neck.
I think the Golf's not the same. Mark II Golf's not.
Yeah, the Mark IVs are the same as this.
Yeah.
There's no difference.
Kind of mind, I don't.
And the Passats. They're all as bad as each other. You see the calipers
Yeah.
on the Passat, they've got a spring on them, eh? Right? They're not so bad, eh? Because it's all held together, eh?
Yeah.
But see, the pressure of putting these back on, you never know that you're getting it lined up because it always wants to push itself back off. Oh, you push it in there, aye. Oh, at least it's no flipping raining.
Don't jinx it. You know, I said it was raining for the whole week. I thought, I'm not going to get this car done. So I did say that it was going to be snowing and that. I said it was going to be snowing, I'm not going to be doing it.
Snow is no bad. Do a puddle of water that's underneath the car.
Of course I have to do the vet next weekend maybe.
Eh?
Of course I have to do the vet check if there's MOT.
When's the MOT out now?
21st of March. Oh, I can see, I get the passenger door handle down. I think it's the thing
Is that
inside.
not working at all?
I think it's inside the door. Well, it opens from the inside. Probably the brakes, I'll probably get an visor again.
It's only that wind that's cold, like not too bad, like.
Big tatty soup and that.
Aye, everybody wants it.
Here, it's probably worth that.
I don't know, it depends what demand. It's the same as the Polo engines,
It's
are,
Mark
isn't it?
IV, you know. Some calipers.
I may have to see that
They're
too.
not gonna be,
So that's what I was thinking about when I was actually going to do it. I say it really
because
depends.
they're warped, John.
Yeah.
You can tell, see if you look at the bottom where the pin's got it, you can tell the caliper.
I know she said the
No
disc.
matter how much sandblast you do in this, you could shot blast that
I know.
back till it was
I know
nice
she
and
said the
shiny,
brake.
but
I
you
know
ain't
she
gonna
said
take
the.
no warp out of it.
I know she said the brake discs were advisories. Pitted them more.
Was there a wobble in the pedal?
No,
Vibration?
no.
No?
Just a grindy noise.
Just a grinding. Must be metal on the other side.
Yeah, probably the back ones.
Eh?
Probably the back ones.
What's the back was needing done as well?
Well, she said if I only need done, but she bought a full set. It was just the front ones. I'll just do the front ones. We can do the back ones another time.
What's the handbrake like in it?
Doesn't work.
Oh,
Do you know the button thing?
calipers have been knackered.
Do you know the button thing?
Aye.
That's not working.
But the button's not actually not in it.
It's there, but it's not operating.
Aye.
So I told her I pounded a new handbrake for it.
Aye, that bottom one's a bit weird looking. That bottom slide, I don't know, was it weird looking when you looked at it, was it?
I can't remember.
It's like it's at an angle.
Is it?
Aye. But that's the way it's on its threads like
Yeah.
high.
Maybe she hit something. I don't know.
I don't know. I think it's a caliper working myself. Like, I think it's a caliper's working myself. You can go put your foot in the brake. Put that off. Put your foot in the brake and we'll just try that out.